Welcome back, mushroom folks. In this video, I will show you a quick and easy way to grow gourmet mushrooms at home with a grow kit. This is a great starting point for beginners because it is affordable, fast, and super easy. Once you get a better grasp on getting the mushrooms to grow, you can then start learning to do more of the cultivation process yourself. Watch until the end for some useful tips and tricks. All you will need for this is a quality mushroom grow kit and a fine mist spray bottle. Mother Mycelium grow kits include a ready-to-grow mushroom block, a humidity tent, and detailed instructions. Unbox your grow kit and read the included instructions. Most grow kit instructions should include a similar set of guidelines. Start by cutting a 3 to 4 inch slit in the front face of the grow block. This is where the mushrooms will form. Now tightly roll down the excess plastic to remove the air in the bag and place the grow kit on its side so the mushrooms will form on top. This will allow more room for the mushrooms to form under the included humidity tent. Thoroughly spray the humidity tent with a fine mist spray bottle. This high humidity environment will stimulate the mycelium in the grow block to form mushrooms. You will need to spray the humidity tent at least once per day so that moisture is always present, especially when the mushrooms are first starting to form. Avoid spraying the mushrooms directly. Instead, spray the inside of the humidity tent only. Spraying the mushrooms directly can suffocate the mushrooms and invite bacteria and other microbes to grow. Check the grow kit daily for signs of growth. You should see baby mushrooms, also known as pins, start to form within a few days. After 7 to 10 days, you should have a large cluster of fully mature mushrooms. For lion's mane, you'll want to harvest them as the teeth or spines start to elongate. If the top starts to turn yellow or brown, this is also a good sign it is time to harvest. For oysters, the cap will tell you when the mushrooms are ready to harvest. When oyster mushrooms are young, the edge of the cap is curled inwards. As they mature, the cap starts to flatten out and the edge of the cap starts to curl upwards. Ideally, oysters are harvested just before the edge of the cap starts to curl up. When the mushrooms are mature, gently twist and pull to harvest. Now place the humidity tent back over the grow block and repeat the process for more flushes. With Mother Mycelium grow kits, you will typically get 2 to 3 large flushes. The grow kit will continue to produce more flushes, but the mushrooms tend to get smaller over time. Please subscribe for more mycology tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.